Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 apps that you can go out there and make money with. But before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer. What I do in this channel is that I verify things online. Anyone that is working for me, I show you guys. So subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and anytime I make a video on how to make money online, YouTube will give you a notification that I've actually made a video. So some of the apps that I'm going to be showing you, some of them might not be available in your country. So stick with me at the end of this video. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can make it work in your country. Okay. So guys, the first website here is Brandeis Survey. Brandeis Survey is a legitimate way to earn money online. You can earn money in Brandeis Survey by taking surveys, which is very simple, and is only available in US, Canada, UK, and it's very simple to sign up. So if you are not from this country that I mentioned, stick with me at the end of this video. I'm gonna be showing you how you can make money in this site anywhere in the world. So to sign up, just come down here, put your email address, password. You after signing up, just go to your mailbox and confirm your email address. So it's very simple to sign up. It's very simple to sign up. So you can cash out with paper. So and the minimum withdrawal is $5. So it's a very it's a simple it's a very simple site to earn money online. So guys, the second app here is Swagbucks. It's a site that you can earn points which can be converted into gift cards and cash for doing various online activities. You can take surveys, watching videos, playing games, and you can earn by points. You can earn by points, and 1 point is equal to 1 cent. So it's very simple to sign up. Just come here they say sign up. Click there, put your name, put your email address, and verify your email address. And this is available in all countries. So you can see here, get the app, enable cash, where to claim your $100 welcome bonus. So it's very simple to sign up. So I'll be leaving the link in the description, so you can go there and click it and sign up. It's available in all countries. So guys, the third app here is Inboxdollars. Inboxdollars is an app that you can get paid by taking surveys, watching videos. So it's very easy to sign up, and it's only available for only US and Canada. It's only available for only US and Canada. If you come down here, how it works. If you come down here, how you earn free, taking paid online surveys, watching videos, get reward for playing games, cashback online shopping, get paid to read emails, coupons, cash reward. So if you come down here, since 2000, Inboxdollars has paid over 80 million in cash reward to each member for doing everyday online activities. So Inboxdollars is a very great site to make money online, and it's only available for US and Canada. So stick with me at the end of the video. I'm gonna be showing you how you can make money in these sites anywhere in the world. So guys, the fourth site here is InstaGist. InstaGist is a site that you can get paid by taking surveys, by clicking on websites, taking offers, watching videos. So it's very simple to sign up. If you scroll down here, earn points for doing things you already do online, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web. That's by clicking on websites. So come down here, put your username. You can put your name, password, email address. Then go to your mailbox and confirm your email address. and start earning cash. So you can earn points. So minimum, you can see a minimum 100 points is equal to $1. So it's a very great size to make money online, and it's available in all countries. So I'll be leaving the link in the description. All the apps I'll be showing you, I'll be leaving the link in the description, so you can go there and click it and sign up. So guys, the last site here is Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform for freelancers, a marketplace where you and I go and buy and sell services, and it's one of the world's largest marketplace for digital services that has database of more than 3 million gigs. And a gig is a service offered on Fiverr website. A gig can be something like a service that you can do on Fiverr to earn money. For instance, example, if you are someone that is talented in writing review, design book covers, logo designing, becoming a video assistant, website testing, making videos, tutorials, website designing, teaching languages. So if you are someone who is talented and many more, there are a bunch of work that you can do on Fiverr and make money. So advice I give you just to simply go. So you can see it here. If you're talented in writing reviews, making video reviews, so you can make money on Fiverr. So you just simply go to YouTube and search for how to and search for and search for and search for how to create a gig, so you can learn it and start making money on Fiverr. So Fiverr is a great site to make money online. So that is it. So if I actually give you a value in this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube will give you a notification that I have actually dropped a video. I'm a real guy, yeah. I try things online. If it's work for me, I show you guys.